Hey guys, the BMX edit. This is my bike check. Starting off at the front, I've got really people grips and really people bar ends. A bit meshed up. Really people bars. A salt brake lever sort of thing. Wires. Salt. Don't know which one, but oil slick stem. Top load. Wheeling People RK 2016 frame. Some random forks. Salt oil slick front hub laced to a Salt Vallon rim, wrapped in a Lagos cruiser tyre. Some Salt Plus pedals, plastic. Salt cranks. I can't remember which one. I think it's a Verde or something like that. Sprocket. Salt change stock. No one really cares about that. Salt rear hub. Sounds really nice. Laced to a Salt Vallon rim again. Wrapped around another Lagos cruiser tyre. Brakes all Salt. Except for the pads, they're just unbranded. No one cares. About the seat. It would have one, but the seat clamp has broken. But today I just picked up a brand new seat. It's the Stranger Tomorrow seat. Tripod with the Colt, don't know which one, tripod, seat post. So see how it sounds. One second, try to work the camera. Yes, that is the same wheel from the sound test, so there you go. So if you want to know how it actually sounds, it's there. Yeah, that's it. 2016. Oh, and I've also got my mental illness. No one really cares about that. Oh well. Salt, thingamajiggy. Forgot what that's called. That's about it. See ya.